Hello everyone. Goodwill presents one of the stocks in focus for the month of September. Jubilant FoodWorks Ltd. can be bought at price of 531 rupees for a time period of 3 months for a target of 602 rupees. Jubilant FoodWorks Ltd. is part of the Jubilant Bhartia group and is one of the India's largest food service company. The company holds the master franchise rights for 2 international brands, Domino's Pizza and Dunkin' Donuts, addressing 2 different food market segments. The company also launched its first homegrown brand, Hong's Kitchen, in Chinese cuisine segment. The company holds the exclusive rights to develop and operate Dunkin' restaurants in India and Popeyes restaurants in India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Bhutan. In financial year 2022, company opened its first Popeye restaurant in Bengaluru, followed by largest in Chennai in financial year 2023. In financial year 2023, company revamped the Dunkin' identity, evolving it more of a cafe. Jubilant FoodWorks Ltd. is a large-cap company with market capitalization of 35,312 crore rupees. Company has a beta value of 0.96, which indicates that Jubilant FoodWorks Ltd. is less volatile than the benchmark index. The face value of a company share is currently 2 rupees. Return on capital employed for the company is 16.2%. Let us now look at some fundamental ratios for the stock that will help us paint a clearer picture. Price to book value for the company is 14.26 times. Price to earnings ratio for the company is 82.26 times. Debt to equity ratio stands at 0.09, which indicates that company is nearly debt-free. Returns on equity ratio is 17.33%, which is quite good. Earnings per share, better known as EPS, is 5.35 rupees. Jubilant FoodWorks Ltd. is one of the most popular miscellaneous companies in the world, with a market capitalization of 35,539.26 Indian rupees crore. Its share price is 533.80 Indian rupees as on the 21st of September 2023. In the quarter ending March 2023, Jubilant FoodWorks Ltd. has declared dividend of 1.20 Indian rupees, translating a dividend yield of 0.45%. Jubilant FoodWorks Ltd. revenue were 1,343.88 Indian rupees crore in the quarter ending June 2023. The revenue grew by 6.17% year-on-year basis since last quarter. Jubilant FoodWorks Ltd. profits were 28.92 Indian rupees crore in the quarter ending June 2023. The profits fell by -74.35% year-on-year basis since last quarter. Coming to the technical aspect of the stock, Jubilant FoodWorks Ltd. is currently trading at around 531 rupees. We consider buy level at the current market price, and our objective is projected to be around 602 rupees, which give us a potential gain of 13.5%, while the stop loss can be held at 476 rupees. As we can see on the daily chart, the higher highs and higher lows pattern signals an uptrend for the coming periods. As we can see on the daily chart, the higher highs and higher lows pattern signals an uptrend for the coming periods. On weekly time frame, the slow-moving averages, MA9, is showing higher momentum than MA21, indicated by green. It is an indicator which shows that trend is changing in the short term and getting stronger. Currently, the resistance levels of pivot point are at 599 and 548, while the support point shall be at 502 level on the daily time frame. The weekly term texture of the chart is still on the positive side, as we can see. In addition, we can see strengthening momentum of RSI 60.05 indicated in purple, and we can look out for an uptrend for the stock. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.